this video, I'm going to show you how to withdraw an application from Accenture. So, say for example, you have already applied here at Accenture for this position right here, and you want to withdraw it. What you can do is just hit the Apply Now button right here, and you should be redirected to Workday. Now, once you are redirected to the Workday portal, what you are going to do is check here that you have applied for this position, and then click View My Application. Once you've done so, you should be redirected here. And now that you have an active application, you can go ahead and click this one right here and choose to withdraw my application. Click Withdraw once again in order to confirm this action. So once you've done so, if we go back to My Applications, you can see that now you have officially canceled it. And that's it. Everybody, this is how you withdraw your application here at Accenture. And that's all. Subscribe, it's free.